Hello, welcome to my channel, Phoenix K. My name is Khadijah, and I am back with another reading here for my Leo Collective, and this is for September 23rd. This is your daily. Happy Saturday. So I have thought about it for a while, and I'm gonna make this channel here, all Leo's channel. It's like permanent, just for Leos. So let's get right into it, guys. Holy Spirit, Spirit guides, and angels, ancestors, please give me overall energy here for my Leo Collective for September 23rd. I'm literally trying to... All right. Thank you, Spirit. At the bottom of the deck, we have Valley, deep personal strength and peace that assure success. But what came out, we have chain of events that will affect your life. The wreath, sorrow over a loss. Handshake, a meeting with a stranger could be important. Enlightening, control your anger or you will be sorry. Okay, my kid. Hold on, let me close this door. All right, Holy Spirit, Spirit guides, and angels, ancestors, please give me what's going on here for my Leo Collective today. What's going on for my Leo? Ooh. Leo Collective today. Thank you, Spirit. So mystery wanted to come in reverse here. So let's keep that in mind. What's at the bottom of the deck is third party, interference, cheating, competition, and mistress. But what came out is surrender, letting go, release, give up, patience, mystery. That came in reverse a little bit. Unknown, enigma, illusion, and confusing, and change, regenerations, growth, metamorphosis, and cycles. So I'm seeing it definitely heavy on third party. Could have been. It doesn't have to be like a love third party though, like romance. They keep getting a chain energy though, chain of events that will affect your life. So it could be someone coming in, a new person. All right, Holy Spirit, Spirit guides, and angels, ancestors, please tell me about the surrender here for my Leo Collective. The Queen of Pentacles. The Nine of Pentacles here. So this is independence. Oh, look, we have the Queen of Pentacles. I'm like, what is going on? Why can't I speak? So the Nine of Pentacles, it came all types of ways. So the Nine of Pentacles talks about independence, taking care of yourself, mind, body, and soul, and taking care of your garden. Enjoying the fruits of your labor here. Being strong. Taming fears, illusions, persevering. All right, tell me more about the surrender, Spirit. So the Two of Swords feels like not wanting to see something here. not wanting to make a decision. Could be a hard decision. Tell me about this Two of Swords, Spirit. It feels like you could have been in this Two of Swords for so long that it was like it was hard for you to release certain things here. Something here is changing for the better. With the Ten of Pentacles could be relationships. The Ten of Swords is like a lot of pain here. Something definitely could be blocked. But the Wheel of Fortune is here, so things are moving. Tell me about this. Clarify the Two of Swords, please. So a person could be blocked from coming towards you. It could be a twin flame. Somebody that you were married to, had celebrations with. Lived with. It's like messages are trying to come through from this person, but they could be blocked. Tell me about this Ten of Pentacles. With the Two of Wands, it looks like here going in a new direction, away from something here that ended painfully. It's like releasing this situation and looking for the Ten of Pentacles somewhere else. Tell me about this Ten of Swords. You guys see my screen? It was a hard decision here with this Two of Swords. It's like not wanting to give up, but you knowing that you need to, because all that you want here with this Ten of Pentacles is not where the pain is. It's like with the Ten of Swords here, it was illusions. It was a lot of different emotions that you are having to release here and have patience with yourself. With the Four of Wands. It's a cycle here that's over. You could be confused as well, like what's next, or what's next? You know, what makes me happy? It's like manifesting, because you know that a cycle has completed for you. So it's like having to temperament all those emotions. With the Seven of Cups, things could come up in your dreams as well. It's like having to be patient to clear this up. All the emotions, all that what you went through, it could be from several different people. But it's a new beginning here for sure. Because we have the Fool energy. So I feel that this is the first step. It's like you have experienced wealth and pain. It's definitely here with the Ten of Pentacles and this Two of Wands. It's like, okay, what can I do? You know, it's like, what can I do here? Tell me about the Two of Wands, Spirit. Yeah, it's like, what can I do for this new beginning here? Where can I find this Ten of Pentacles? Just really being patient here with the Strength card and taming those fears, illusions, and just going anyway. It's like, I'm going to do it anyway. No matter if I'm confused or if I feel confused, it's a hard decision. Because it's a new beginning here for you, Leo. But I feel that you could have so many wounds that you have to sort through. And it feels like sometimes you want to give up. All right, tell me about this mystery. I hope that you guys stayed with me. Because that was a lot. So with the Queen of Swords, it's like, with mystery, like I said, it came a little bit in reverse, so it's not confusing anymore. The Queen of Swords is very experienced, and she's also, she sees clearly, okay, through anyone's bullshit. So, and this could be with relationships here. That's under the moon. Here it could be third-party situations or interference, competition of any sort. Tell me more about this mystery here, Spirit. I think that's it. That's crazy. Yeah, definitely not. Tell me about the Queen of Swords. Yep. Look at that. It's like, no, I'm not confused of any sort. At all. This is not an illusion. You see the moon? So you are like releasing things that don't serve and healing on a way higher level that's like kind of unexplainable. I feel like giving up the need to know everything, the next steps, like giving up the control of the situation, because it makes you feel confused and stuck here. It makes you, yeah, just really confused, like, and want to give up. But it's like your manifestations are coming in. A cycle is over for you. You did all the hard work. Just keep healing, just keep filtering through those emotions that come up. Tell me about the star here. The Two of Pentacles. The King of Cups. This can be someone here that you are not talking to as well. Tell me about this King of Cups, Spirit. Somebody is definitely holding on to your energy, Leo. It feels like they don't want to give up on a situation here. Tell me about this Nine of Wands. Thank you. So they're wanting to start a passionate new beginning. Interesting. So they could try to hide this situation, but I feel that you see clearly with the Wheel of Fortune. The wheel is turning here. Also, this can be here that Leo, you needed to get grounded in your emotions because new things are coming in, and we don't want to be the wounded warrior here. I mean, we do want to be the wounded warrior because the wounded warrior is resilient. But making sure we use it the way we are supposed to. Clarify the King of Cups. It feels like here somebody, why are they in this energy with the Ten of Wands and the Kingdom? Thank you, Spirit. It feels like here somebody needs to be emotionally grounded. They want a new beginning with you, Leo, and it's like hurting them. It's burdens on them that they are not with you for some reason here, and it's like they don't want to give up on this new beginning, this passionate new beginning. Maybe they were being playing mind games here. What does Leo need to know about this person? Yeah, they are not in balance here. They could be juggling as well. So yeah, it's like with the Moon, it's hidden motives. Definitely needing a new perspective on this situation here, but also with the Tower and the Ace of Pentacles, it's like let it all go, let it all fall down. And when you do let it all fall down, and let me see, and let it go here, it's like a brand new beginning for you. With the Ace of Pentacles, something long lasting, very stable here. So I feel with this Ace of Pentacles and this Nine of Pentacles, it's the Empress. It's the Empress here. So it's like this person could be juggling, but they could not be in their right state of mind with the King of Cups and sideways here. They have a lot of burdens, a lot of different things going on that they have to fix themselves. Because how can you offer me? Like this person is trying to offer you their last wand here. So they could need healing for themselves or a new perspective, or you could need a new perspective. All right, tell me about this change here for my Leo collective. Also, guys, if I come out with a reading, make sure that you guys are not making it fit, because whoever story this is for, it's going to resonate for them. And then, you know, come back later because somebody might need the story more, or the reading more. I'm sweating, guys. Like, what is going on? But this change here with the Moon, someone is like very determined to come towards you. Could be a third party. Tell me more about this situation with this Moon. Thank you, Spirit. Yep, exactly what I thought. The third party. So the third party has hidden motives. Hidden motives, play mind games. A narcissist here is very sneaky energy. So it's like they could be doing something here under the Moon. What are they doing, Spirit? They're taking justice into their own hands, causing confusions in the dark. Tell me more about this justice. What is this exactly? Thank you, Spirit. It's like, for some of you, the reason why a certain person is not talking to you, Leo, is because this person here is doing something very sneaky, very malicious. Like, with the justice, they're taking karma, taking things into their own hands, but they're like stopping maybe this person from coming towards you here. It's like a very controlling tactic here. And okay, with the 3 of Wands in reverse. Tell me about the moon. Definitely doing some work. Now, I hope it's not like magic or anything, but they're definitely working overtime, paying attention to details. I mean, very focused on whatever they are doing. So I just want to say, protect yourself. Take your spiritual baths, get you some sage, put salt around the perimeter of your house. But yeah, tell me about the 2 of Pentacles. Yep, they are like very controlling here. They're doing it like tires, like night and day. It feels like, oh, I don't like this energy. I really just don't. Look at that. So and it's like leaving you out in the cold here, and then it's a trickster energy. Maybe this is why this person rejected you. Okay. So it could be some sorrow over this loss. Definitely affecting your life in some type of way. I don't want to say like your life here because, you know, we got God. I feel you. If this is for you here, Leo, you know exactly who this is. All right. Anything else we need to know about this change here, Spirit? Judgment. Judgment is definitely going to be made on this person for sure. This person could come back from a person here could want a second chance as well. Tell me about this judgment, Spirit. What is this judgment here? Ooh, thank you. Oh, too many. But I will look. I do not like this energy at all. I don't like it. I don't like it. All right. Tell me about this judgment, Spirit. I feel that they're not going to stop anything, honestly. Honestly, at all. Somebody definitely here is watching you, Leo. Tell me about the Page of Swords. Because at first it was like, with all those cards that came out, it looks like a new beginning will happen for you anyway. A wish of fulfillment will be made for you anyway. Tell me about the Page of Swords. Seven of Wands. Yep, not gonna stop anything. So this person feels like they will defend themselves. They will make judgment on this person. They're still watching you. It looks like they're gonna take action regardless. They could leave this situation, the third party situation, put an end to it because they see something here. Tell me, clarify the King of Wands. Yep. Anyway, it's like they're gonna get what they want anyways. Or you are gonna get what you want anyway. I feel that you are very protected. You need to stand your ground as well. Definitely need to stand your ground here, Leo. Like protection work. It's not that you need to hit this person up and say, like, you know, let them have it. It's like if you stand your ground, protect your energy, Spirit got your back. All right. That was a lot. What's this Page of Swords energy? This is a third party. They will be very disappointed. Like, oh, here's the cards. Here's the cards that came out. Spirit don't play with me. This third party gonna be mad as hell, okay? Mad as hell. They're gonna be angry, okay? Very disappointed. They're gonna feel betrayed. But are they really? If you're doing all of this work, overtime, I feel. It's like this person is losing control. They're losing their shit about you, Leo. I don't know who this is, but they is not happy about this. They don't want this to happen. They know that it will be celebrations and happiness. Literally, like he or she is gonna move on to their soulmate, who they are supposed to be with. And this person here is like, I asked who this Page of Swords is. They're gonna be watching, disappointed. The judgment is gonna be made on this person here, honestly, for what they are doing. For like, you can't be messing with people's lessons and futures and, you know, they life. You can't and not think that you ain't gonna get picked. Like, you ain't gonna get nothing handed to your ass. Literally, like, they're trying to do God's work. That's insane to me. But they're going to be highly disappointed because you are protected. And it's like with the King of Wands here and the Nine of Cups, a wish is going to be fulfilled anyway, like I said in the beginning. This person is not stopping anything. So this explains why this person here that you're releasing, that you see clearly through the illusions here, is like feeling heavy and don't want to give up and willing to give you their last wand, you know, for this relationship, feeling off balance here. But this is the Tower, and it happens anyway. For some of you, if this is not, this is like you clearing out your energy for something new. I'm not sure how much damage they have done, but yeah, it's like literally this person, a change is about to be made. And this person is about to get their ass handed to them, honestly. It could have been a hard decision to let this person go. Here with letting go, release, give up, it was like with the Two of Swords, it was like it felt good. It felt like home. It could be a twin flame situation, but it felt good. It felt magical, you know. But you was like, okay, well, let me use my tools and to close this cycle out here. Maybe my Ten of Pentacles is not here, so you went a different route. Even though it was a very painful ending, it was like, let me clear these illusions up and get back balance here and be patient and trust in myself with this Strength card. And then once you did here, it was like you shot down illusions here. It was like you broke free of something with the Star and released something here. And this person could still be feeling these things, but something is changing. Okay, so we got that. So let's see. Gotta take a little bit, but let's clarify these at the top. Let's do this handshake first. A meeting with a stranger could be important. Tell me about this meeting, Spirit, Holy Spirit, Spirit guides, and angels, ancestors. Tell me about this handshake, the meeting with a stranger for my Leo collective. Ooh, thank you. Tell me about the Five of Wands. The Five of Wands. Thank you, Spirit. Clarify the Five of Wands. It felt like it was a fight to get here because maybe you needed a new perspective on what makes you happy, or broke free of something, right? But something here, it's a new beginning, and it could be to invest in a business, or it feels like love though. It feels deeply like love with the Queen of Cups coming out. So maybe you have been taking care of. Huh? Yeah, let me open it for you. Okay. Sorry guys.
How much that do you want?
3.
3?
Mm-hmm. Close the door, please. Thank you. So, it looks like it was a fight to get here, but you persevered through it. But the Five of Wands it was a temporary challenge here for you. So I'm feeling like definitely needed to control your anger, or you will be sorry. You could have been. This right here will make somebody angry, but definitely needed to transmute those into something positive. But it's a new beginning. This is a new person here, and then maybe it'll be somebody that you can invest in with love, for love. Tell me anything else with the Page of Wands. Somebody's coming in very fast with an offer here because I feel like somebody sees your worth. As the Empress. So it's a message. Tell me about the Knight of Swords. Hold on, guys. Because why am I seeing the Three of Cups? Let me get a new deck. Because now y'all Leos got me invested, okay? Alright, Holy Spirit, Spirit guides, and angels, ancestors. Tell me about this Knight of Swords here. Who is this Knight of Swords, or what is this? Oh my goodness. All right, it's a third party. So this third party, for some of you guys, a meeting with a stranger could be important. This person here, they don't have the best intentions, Leo. I would advise you not to. They are very disappointed, hurt, very angry at you here in this new start. It's like they know something that you don't know. Like they want to fight. Okay, they want to fight. They're confused. They're to why nothing is working here. With the Five of Air and the Three of Swords, this is like somebody that will win at all costs. Obviously, right? We already seen that. They're very disappointed because it's not working. It's not going in their way. You are very protected. Your person could be very protected as well. The wish of fulfillment will be granted. But this person here will try to befriend you. It feels like they may took a break, but I don't want to scare anybody because this is crazy. But yeah. So it's like things are changing, right? The whole dynamic that they did to you guys are changing here. So a new beginning is here. And so they're mad as hell, Leo. Tell me about the Seven of Pentacles with the Queen of Cups. Period. All right. Listen. Tell me about the Four of Water.
Huh?
2 more minutes. Okay, fine. There you go. I'm sorry, y'all. Can you guys see my hole? Okay, yeah, you can. All right, definitely could be a twin flame situation here. With the Four of Water and the Seven of Water. It looks like with the Seven of Water, you could have been watering your garden here, investing in yourself, loving on yourself here, but something could feel missing. You could have other options, and it feels like it's just not it. You can feel very bored, discontent with the whole situation here. Tell me about the Empress. Oh, you know what? You know what? Okay, thank you, Spirit. This is them. This is them, Leo, with this Empress energy. I mean, with the Seven of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups energy. They're like not satisfied with all of the... Somebody knows. It feels like this karmic energy that wants to fight with you and fight with them. They feel like this is coming, like you are coming towards them here. They can see this before you do, but it's like their heart is longing for you, Leo, with the Empress and the Three of Fire. That's what it feels like. It feels like they are discontent with anything else. All right, let's see this. That was a lot. All right, tell me about Holy Spirit, Spirit Guides, and Angels, Ancestors. Tell me about this lightning. Control your anger or you will be sorry. For my Leo collective. What about the Death card? I'm not sure why I keep using this deck. Who is this Leo that needs to control? Who is the spirit that needs to control their anger or they will be sorry? Looks like an X. All right. Clarify the King of Swords in reverse, please. All right, so maybe this is you, Leo. I don't feel this is you. It's an ending that happened and you could be grieving because this was a soulmate union. Tell me about the King of Swords. This could be you. That needs balance and doing things in moderation and a different perspective as well. It's like stressing about what happened and the progress is coming slow. It's like definitely needing to control that, the discontent. If Spirit gives you another blessing here, then will you be with your hand? Well, if God gives you another blessing here, will your hands be folded, you know, because if something didn't work out for you. If this is somebody else, they're definitely, no, this is you, Leo. It's like being nicer to yourself. Definitely needed to be grounded here. With the King of Swords energy, it feels like a snappy energy. It feels like you can snap off because it's just things ain't like, you need a new perspective, okay? For sure. For sure. Because everything happens for a reason. Chain of events that will affect your life. Let's see. This reading is way longer than what I thought. Tell me about, like always, I might as well don't even put a time on it. Tell me about the chain of events that will affect Leo's life. Thank you, Spirit. Okay, so we have the Empress. The chain of events that will affect your life is somebody that's coming in here. It's a wish of fulfillment will be granted for you, Leo. It's given definitely a soulmate energy, a boss, right? A boss energy with the Emperor. Somebody that's reliable, stable, could be a business owner, for sure. Somebody that's going to meet you on your level. Tell me about the Emperor. Look at that, y'all. We have a match. We got the Aries energy, could be. Or you could be elevated to a higher position. Tell me about the Queen of Wands and the Emperor. Alright, let's get over here. Tell me what the Queen of Wands and the Empress did. Something coming towards you. It's coming towards you very fast. Very fast. It's hidden. It's opportunities. It could be messages, passionate messages. Tell me about the moon. The Ten of Fire. The Eight of Fire. That's just about. Something here that's going to help you. Oh, I love it. So, something here with this change. I feel this came out yesterday. With the chain of events that will affect your life. It feels like something here. It's opportunity. It could be an offer of some sort. A gift. It's like with the Five of Wands that wanted to come out, it wanted to show itself. It's like whatever that you were worried about turns out in your favor. It gives you more freedom. So I'm not sure if this is money here or a person, but it's a wish of fulfillment for sure. And it's going to help you transform, or it's going to help you feel more free. It's bringing in justice. With a new beginning. Oh, look at that. And a blessing from the divine. Oh, it could be definitely a relationship after some type of pain. Okay. All right. We love that. Tell me about the Queen of Earth. So it's like you were burdened for so long. You were just heavily burdened. But something is going to be released. That is going to be released. Tell me about the Queen of Earth. about the ego. About the ego. Somebody is obsessing over you, Leo. Very heavily. With the ego, illusion, dependency, and materialism. With the page of air. What are they doing? Or this could be the person, the queen of earth. Alright, so this is the same person from earlier. They're definitely heavy on they're obsessing about wanting a passion, new beginning with Julia. They're trying to control all these emotions that they have, but it's getting very hard. Tell me about the Four of Earth. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, doesn't have to be, it could be somebody that just takes care of their self, nurtures their self. Could be financially stable, help other people out. But this person is trying to control coming towards you with the King of Fire, taking action here. Yeah, definitely coming towards you. Definitely, they're in conflict with themselves daily. All right, this is crazy. This video is so long. All right, Holy Spirit, Spirit Guides, and Angels, Ancestors. I'm not even gonna do the wreath because I feel that pissed you off a little bit. Sorrow over a loss, or it made you sad because it was just like, damn. Like maybe when you met this person, it felt so good. It looked like it felt good. Felt like it was just everything. But yeah. All right, Holy Spirit, Spirit Guides, and Angels, Ancestors, please give me advice here for my Leo collective for the situation. Family showed itself, but we have roll the dice, take a chance, risk, leap of faith, and strategy. And we have the truth at the bottom of the deck, confessions, clarity, reveal, and secrets. I know that this reading was kind of all over the place, but I feel that if it resonates, it does. Like, and if it doesn't, it just doesn't. Tell me about roll the dice, Spirit, for my Leo collective. A new perspective with this Two of Water. Tell me more. You could be very unsure. Eight of Earth. Use strategy. Is this new or old, Spirit, that Leo needs to roll the dice? Tell me about the Eight of Water. Something you have to walk away from because it's too much sneaky stuff going on. I'm trying to tell you. Definitely heavy on the twin flame. Tell me about the Two of Water. Thank you, Spirit. Tell me about the Eight of Earth. Tell me about the transformation. There's the Seven of Air. I feel that Spirit is telling you guys. Hold on. This is a third party. Oh, child. All right. Thank you, Spirit. Somebody's being left out in the cold. Literally, somebody is being left out in the cold. Tell me about the 5 of Earth. Who's been left out? Spirit. In the cold of the whole situation. Out in the cold. Thank you. Listen, so strategy here. Spirit is saying let it all fall down here so you won't get your hands dirty. Be strategic. Keep working on yourself, your projects. Keep loving on yourself here. Because something is ready to backfire on somebody and you don't need to be anywhere around the situation, honestly, with the 8 of Water, the 7 of Air, the 3 of Earth, and the Knight of Fire. It was a very painful ending. So with this 4 of Wands, it looks like something is getting to be dealt with from the divine here with the 5 of Pentacles. And it's for a blessing. So it's like a blessing in disguise here for you to move forward. Somebody is very impulsive. So these are messages, Leo. I hope that you guys enjoyed them. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.